This is our inner trim for our conversion of the 64 to 7 for flush mount glass to make it look like a 63 coupe. And so this is a 63 coupe, and we're retaining the original weather strip style and the moldings on the outside. And so on the inside it has our two pieces of our kit, is the headliner and the rear window trim. The headliner has the styling line that matches the roof, and that styling line starts at the windshield, goes all the way to the back into the rear trim. That's something that we've added, and we've made this rear trim all one piece. So you have a one piece that's covering the windows. We've taken our flush mount trim and we've cut it to fit this window here. And so we're going to sit this back in our mold, scribe our mold, so when you buy that from us, you're going to have to grind down to the scribe line, because there's no sense you paying us to do something you can do yourself. That scribe line will be there if you're using factory weather strips and trim. So one piece rear window trim comes all the way up to the headliner, then your headliner is a one piece. Now on the front of it, we took and made our own fiberglass trim for the flush mount glass. We haven't got that far yet, but I think we can alter that to make it work as well. But in the case that we're doing this for a demonstration for a trim shop, so they can see it, they can take that factory molding and put it back on here. This is our molding that we made that goes across here that covers that up. We haven't tested it yet with the windshield. We're waiting for our windshields to come in, but like I said, this is just a test run to let a trim shop see what's involved with the headliner and the rear trim. So we're just putting it out there a little bit early. Thanks for watching.